Alright, you guys, so just to kind of summarize the video, these are the Nike Air Dunk Low in the Chicago Split colorway. I won mine through the DTLR raffle system, retailed at $130. I think the quality is very close to the Nike Bayou leather quality. Just a heads up on the white laces. They are a little bit shorter than the black laces that come in the shoe. So my recommendation at this time is to probably get you some cream laces if you really want to go that route, or just stick with the black laces. I think it's still a pretty clean look. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Is this the dunk of the year? Is this the best dunk that we've seen in a very long time? Did they finally give us the right colorway? Let me know. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.